Welcome to the International Master in Quaternary and Prehistory and to the National Museum of Natural History in Paris. This institution, the National Museum of Natural History, has been founded as you know, in the 18th century, and on the site of the former Royal Garden of Medicinal Plants, and thus is grounded on this centuries-old scientific history. It is broadly dedicated to the production, development and dissemination of knowledge that contributes to the conservation of biodiversity and natural and cultural heritage at the intersection between natural, human and social sciences. Today, its status as a public institution with a scientific, cultural and professional vocation defines 5 main missions, meaning that the IMQP Master Program, delivered at the National Museum, is part of a vast multidisciplinary offer which includes 7 specializations at the crossroad of natural and human sciences. You can have access to the course catalog of the master through the internet link of the museum, and particularly those directly dedicated to the quaternary and prehistory fields from the link that you can see on the slide. The course, as well as other activities, are delivered in several national museums located in Paris, mainly at the Jardin des Plantes, at the Musée de l'Homme and at the Institute of Human Paleontology. Among the course catalogue, you will get access to a large panel of teachings which cover numerous fields, which complete those provided in Ferrara, Tarragona, Tomar and Manila. They include some fields in which research activities of our labs are, let's say, quite more accurate, like radiometric dating, user analysis, experimental archaeology, human evolution, lithic technology, archaeobotanic, and or regional prehistory evolutions, particularly in Southeast Asia or in Africa. The master curriculum is very closely linked to the scientific activities of the institution and its research labs, as well as supported by a very large collection covering all fields of biological, geological or cultural diversity, both past and present. And these collections particularly are the results of centuries of gathering and lie at the heart of the museum's activities and training programs. Meaning that these teachings are largely supported by these large collections dedicated to physical anthropology, modern as well as fossils or material cultures, and on active research labs where ongoing scientific activities are developed in many of the fields delivered in the course program. And these labs mainly are listed here. Also, as well as many excavation programs in which teachers and researchers from the museums are principal investigators or participants, and which, in addition to those developed by the IMQP partners, provide large opportunities for the students to participate in fieldwork. These programs covered a huge national, European or international scale, including Africa and Southeast Asia, for instance. Here you can find the main teachers who participate to the International Master. Of course, there are many others, but don't hesitate to contact them, to have some support also in training or internship. Meaning also that you will have to prepare, we will have to prepare your welcome in advance as much as possible, since you know there are some issues, particularly concerning accommodation, which are not so easy to solve sometimes. So please don't hesitate to contact us in advance through the contact person of the teacher that we mentioned before, or in the contact of Shafika, who is written here. So waiting for your coming, for your and to welcome you. Thank you, and see you very soon at the National Museum. Bye bye.